And we're not done with the pandemic. It's the 29th of January 2021. A total of 58 countries have reported mutated strains of the Wuhan virus. In Brazil, researchers have discovered patients with 2 different strains of the virus. 2 different strains in one patient. In the United States, the first cases of the South African strain have been discovered, and in the United Kingdom, experts say the vaccine may not be that effective on foreign strains. The mutations are spreading, the infections are rising, and new challenges are emerging with each passing day. Here's a report.
Wuhan virus mutations are emerging in new territories. The infections are rising, the lockdowns are back, and the vaccines are proving less effective against the variant. In Brazil, researchers have discovered patients with 2 different strains of the Wuhan virus. The patients, both in their 30s, were infected with the first variant in November and have simultaneously tested positive for the second variant. The symptoms were mild. The patients did not require hospitalization. But scientists say the cases underscore the many variants that could be circulating in Brazil, and their coexistence in the same body could speed up mutations of other variants. In the United States, cases of the South Africa variant have been detected for the first time. They were reported in 2 adults from South Carolina, with no travel history and no connection to each other. The cases have put the focus on America's capacity to detect emerging strains. Health experts are worried. They're asking Americans to be more vigilant.
The arrival of COVID-19, of any COVID-19 variant in South Carolina, including this one, is yet another reminder that the fight against this deadly virus is far from over. And we all must be more vigilant about taking the prevention steps that we know work.
In the United Kingdom, Novavax has declared that its vaccine is 89% effective on the highly contagious variant detected in the country. But the South African strain is also spreading in the UK. Is the vaccine as effective on this strain? Not really.
Now, not quite as effective as it is against the UK variant, and it may therefore mean that modifying the spike protein, or indeed adding a separate component to the vaccine, will now be considered, and Novavax are now doing that, and that may be the answer to deal completely with, for example, the South African variant.
A total of 58 countries have reported new strains of the Wuhan virus. The mutations are of separate lineages, and they pose different challenges for different countries. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.